Turn me.
Down. There you go. Good shot.
Nah, turn me left.
Okay, Dad. Let me get one more nail. Okay, you can cut it. Go ahead, cut it. We have a typhoon coming. This boat shouldn't be in the water, but it's too heavy to get out. We don't have the hatch made yet. Okay, hang in here. This is how you turn it off, right here.
Well, hello, son. I love you so much. And Jamie and the baby, I'm here at the beach here, Ogden Beach, Brendan. You remember the place? And it's really interesting. I just got to share this with you. Mario Parra, the one that was doing the radio program with me, he's been doing all this decoration and painting, and they call it the Wellness Camp. See that? Wellness Camp. This is a little health food store, and they do colonics back in here. This little pond. Got different rooms with different names. Little alleyway here, and cool little restaurant, vegetarian food. And I just here's a four-wheel drive. There's the other car, and right here cool footage you'll see. We're out here in the middle of the typhoon. We're kind of at the end of it. It's not as bad as I thought, but it was a Category 3, and I was the only one who couldn't get my boat out of the water. I was trying. It's so heavy that in four-wheel drive and low range, we just couldn't move it in the sand. It's just that heavy. And it's just a very thin coat of fiberglass. I mean, not a huge amount. Gel coat, stuff like that. But we've been working on the top hatch. I slept in it last night. So anyway, what do you think, son? It's pretty cool, huh? Wait till I have the third hole, which is going to be like a surfboard underneath that. Right here is going to be like a surfboard design. Carlo is fiberglassing the outrigger boat, so So can't wait till you guys come over and visit sometime. If you want to, you're always welcome. There's PRC with the swimming pools and water slides. And yeah, you can see it's Typhoon. At least it's drier. So I'm going to go down and get my down blanket and come back. So yeah, the lady here, our attorney's relatives, just some really cool people. I can tell you there more about them, but she's now into totally natural. She's following Dr. Schultz and cleaning out the intestines and colon to get well. So yeah, that's all. We're going. Both cars are running good. I got all my tools in here, and I had a really awesome birthday. I just missed you a lot. So yeah. So anyway, check out my other footage I got for you. Okay, love you. Bye. here, as you know, doing things at the last minute. Typhoon's coming, and we are putting the hatch on. I got it in the water. It's been dry and sunny and nice all the time. You know, so I got it in the water thinking I'll just build the hatch next, and then no time at all. Had a birthday, and then we're out here, Typhoon, within hours, minutes. It's actually, we're on the edge of it now, and see, hooked up to the truck to get it out of the water, and this is not a safe, really a safe spot. So we just pray and do the best we can. The thinking is, as the storm surge comes, it's a Category 3, 180 kilometer an hour winds, and as the storm surge comes, I'm going to drive forward. Hopefully it won't take this boy is cold. It's freezing actually, and we're going to try to get this hatch, building it like this so it slides, and that's it. God bless, love you, son.